How to enable keyboard sounds on iPhone. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to head over to your system settings, and once inside, you want to scroll down and you want to find the sound and haptics option. From here, scroll down and you want to click on the keyboard feedback. If you want a keyboard sound on your device, you want to make sure that the sound option is turned on. And if you want to vibrate your phone as you type, you also want to make sure that the haptic option is turned on. And so guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.